Let us give thanks to the Lord our God. It is not only right to be subdued in the joy of the Father, Heavenly King, Almighty and eternal God, always and everywhere to offer you thanks and praise through Jesus Christ, your only Son, our Lord. For He is the true and living God. Through Him you have created all things from the beginning and formed us alone in faith. Through Him you enlightened everyone.